Here's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL 450 4MATIC. Drivers love its roomy seating, luxurious interior, and powerful engine. A smooth, capable ride comes from 4MATIC all-wheel drive with a 4-wheel independent Airmatic suspension. Comfort is guaranteed with heated front seats, climate control, and a power moonroof. Additionally, rain-sensing wipers and a garage door transmitter come standard.
For those who enjoy the finer things, the premium package is included for you. The CD changer lets you change things up for the perfect soundtrack. The parking sensors let you squeeze into those tight spots with ease.
A full-size SUV that's truly fulfilling. Come in for a test drive today.
Visit today. We're conveniently located at 2010 East Garvey Avenue South in West Covina, California.